Hello children, welcome back. The chapter is Heron's formula. Ma'am Preeti told you about the formula and the starting of the chapter. So just take a look only what is the Heron's formula. Here we are required sides, 3 sides and the perimeter. Perimeter is in the form of semi-perimeter. Okay, so S is denoted by semi-perimeter and let all the sides are denoted by ABC, and the area we can find the area of the scalene triangle as S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Or other formulae to find the area for the right triangle, you know that 1 upon 2 base into height, and the area of the equilateral triangle root 3 by 4 into side square. Just like this also we have isosceles triangle, area of isosceles triangle also. So here in this chapter we are going to discuss only about the Heron's formula. So first question I hope you have done from the exercise 12.1. So we are going to continue from same exercise from with question 2. We are going to continue with question 2. Okay. So the question is given here in the book. The triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisement. The sides of the walls are this and this. The advertisement yields an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. Company hired one of its wall for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? To find the rent for the 3 months, first of all, we have to find the area of the wall. Okay, what we are going to discuss, what we are going to find. First of all, just read the question and have a look what we have to find and by which way. Okay, so you can see that this is the given, the sides of the walls are in the triangular form. So all are different. So we can say this is a scalene triangle. So we find the area of this wall with the help of Heron's formula, and then the advertisement per meter square per year is given 5,000. We have to find only for 3 months. How much rent did it pay for 3 months? So here is just given, A is given 122 meter, let side A is given 122, B is given 22, C is given 120. So first we are going to find here semi-perimeter S. You know the formula, A plus B plus C divided by 2. So 122 plus 22 plus 120 divided by 2. The sum will be equals to 264 divided by 2, and when we will divide this we'll get here 2 1s are 3s are and 2s are 132 meter. This is given meter. Now we'll find the area of wall. We are finding here area is equals to, first write the formula, under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So here we have under root S is given 132, then 132 minus A is 122, 132 minus B, B is 22, and 132 minus 120. This is given under root 132. We'll multiply here, then we'll get here only 10. This also will subtract 2 minus 0, 110. This also we will subtract, we will get here only 12. So you know that how can we remove it from the root. 132, we can see here if we having this 11, 10 is here, so I get 10 from here. Okay, 11 and 10 and 12. 11 and 12 both are here. So we can write 132 as the factor of 11 and 12. The factors of 132 is 11 and 12. No need to factorize it further in the prime factor because the pair is already here. Okay, pair is already here. So no need to divide this 12 as 2 into 2 into like this into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. No need to divide like this. If pairing is always there, then no need to divide in the further prime factors. So this is, so we can write it here without root, we can make their pairs 11 and 11. Okay, so 1 11 can be out, 12 and 12, this can be out, 1 10 is here. So this is 11 and 12, this is 1320 meter square. This we got here. Now the yearly rent is given. Yearly rent, that is equals to rupees 5,000 per meter square. Okay, so we have to find the monthly rent of 1 month. Monthly rent, so we have to divide this by 12 meter square. For how long we have to find rent paid by the company for 3 months, that is equals to 5,000 into 1 upon 12, this was there, multiply by 3 for 1320 meter square. So we can divide this, 3 4s are, and 4 3s are 12 and 4 3s are 12. We are having here 3 zeros, then 5,000 and 330 can be multiplied. 3 zeros and 1 4 0 and 5 3s are 15 and 5 3s are 15 and 1 16. This much of rupees is required for the 3 months. Okay, so this is a method that we have found here with the help of the Heron's formula. This question we can find also with the help of other formula also, but specifically in this exercise we are going to discuss the Heron's formula, so that's why we have done this. Otherwise you can find this question by Pythagoras theorem also. First we have to prove that with the help of 122, 22 and 120 we have to prove that this triangular wall is right triangle, is making here right triangle. This is 122, 120 and 22. So this area can be find out with the help of 1 upon 2 base into height. Okay, so this can be 11 and 0, 22 and 1, 1320. We can find this also, but here in this exercise, so and then remaining is the same question. So the area can be find out with the help of this, but it is specifically in this exercise we are going to discuss here the Heron's formula, that's why. Otherwise you can prove this triangle as the right triangle. For this you have to prove that the square of this side is equals the square of these two sides, means the square of 122, that will be equals to 22 square plus 120. दोनों साइड इक्वल आ जाएंगे, इट मीन्स दे आर मेकिंग द पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट्स. इफ पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट्स then this is a right triangle. So we can apply this formula as 1 upon 2 base into height also. So next question is there. This is third question you can do. Now the fourth question. Find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 18 and 10 centimeter. And perimeter is given. This is perimeter, not semi-perimeter. Perimeter means the sum of all sides. Okay, so let A is equals to 18 centimeter, B is equals to 10 centimeter. Let the third side is x centimeter, because for this we are required all the three sides, and 2s, that is the that is the perimeter. Perimeter is 2s, or you can write it as only s. S is equals to, or sorry, you can write it as perimeter. Perimeter. Now we will find here the S. S is equals to what we have. S is equals to A plus B plus C divided by 2. That is S. Okay. S is equals to A plus B plus C divided by 2. Direct कर सकते हैं. नहीं आ रहा है तो first of all we will find perimeter is equals sum of all sides. Perimeter is given as 42. Sum of all sides 18 plus 10 plus x. It becomes 42 is equals to 28 plus x. X is equals to 42 minus 28. So x is equals to that we are having here 14. 12 minus 8 4, 3 minus 2 1. That is of centimeter. So we can find with like this we can find the third side. Okay. Now s is required. S is what? A plus C plus A plus B plus C by 2. That is the perimeter. A plus B plus C is what? Perimeter. Okay. Sum of all sides, and what is given there? 42. So we can write here 21 centimeter. This is S. क्योंकि पैरामीटर गिवन है तो पैरामीटर को अगर हमने 2 से डिवाइड कर दिया तो वो हमें सेमी पैरामीटर मिल जाएगा. ओके. नाउ एरिया. एरिया we know the formula under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. That is under root S. S is we are having 21. 21 minus A is given 18. 21 minus 10 and 21 minus 14 under root. This is 21. 21 minus 18 3. This one be 11 and here is 7. Okay. So 21 can be divided as 7 into 3 into 3 into 11 into 7. So this is in pair. So 7 can be come out, 3 can be come out, but 11 will remain in the root. So this becomes 21 under root 11. So guys, I advise you that you have to learn all these initial roots. Just like root 2, we are having 1.414, root 3, we are having 1.73, root 5, root 4 is 2 only, and root 5 is 2.24, root 6 is 2.45. These are the approximate values. Root 7 is equals to 2.65. Root 8 like this, we are having 2.89. Okay. And similarly, root 11, I think we have 3.32. You can leave the answer here also. This much of centimeter square. This much of centimeter square. This perimeter is in centimeter. This much of centimeter square. This we have. So we can multiply and get the answer, or you can leave it up to here. So just try to learn all the roots, basic roots. Okay. Now the next question is there. Question number 5. Sides of a triangle are in the ratio of this and its perimeter is 540. Find its area. Again the parameter is given sum of all sides, but the sides are given in ratio. So here we are having, let sides of a triangle are respectively A is given, B is given and C is given. Perimeter is 540. So what we have here, first of all we have to find ratio was given. So ratio we can write in the form of x. A is 12x, B is 17x, C is 25x. Perimeter is given is 540. So perimeter is equals to, we know that, sum of all sides. Perimeter is 540 and 12x plus 17x plus 25x. Then 540 is equals to, if we add this becomes only 54x. So x is equals to 540 divided by 54. That's why we are having x is equals to 10. So what are the sides? So A is equals to, this becomes 12 into 10, that is 120. B is equals to 7 into 10, that is 170. And C is equals to 25 into 10, that is 250. All are in centimeter. And the S is equals to perimeter divided by 2. Perimeter we are having 540 divided by 2. We are having here 2 to the 270. this much of centimeter. Now the area, again the formula we are applying, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S we are having here 270. 270 minus A is given 120. 270 minus that is given 170, and third one is there 270 minus 250. Okay, so this time we are having 270. If we subtract this, we are having here 150. Here we are having 100. Here we are having 20. So we can write this 27. We can see here how many zeros, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 zeros are here. 1 2 3 4 5. This 27 we can write 9 into 3 into 10. This 15 we can write 3 into 5 into 10. This 110 into 10. This 22 into 10. So we can see here this 9 is the square of 3. So this 3 can be come out. Then 3 and this 3. 1 3 can be come out. This is 10 and 10 will come. This one is 10 and 10. This also come. Now here we are having 2 and 5. This 10 we can also write as 5 into 2. This we can write as 5 into 2. So this 5 and this 5 can be come out, and this 2 and this one 2 will come out. So this will have 5 2s are 10, 3 3s are 9. So we are having here, so there is 3 3s are 9, 5 2s are 10. So this will be 9,000 centimeter square. So this is the question. Now the last question is there of the exercise. An isosceles triangle has perimeter again is given, and each of the equal side is given 12 centimeter. The third side is not given. Find the area of the triangle. So this time we are having, let A is equals to B is equals to 12 centimeter. For an isosceles triangle, perimeter is given 30 centimeter. So let the third side is X. So let A is equals to 12 centimeter, B is equals to 12 centimeter, and C is equals to X centimeter. Again, perimeter is equals to sum of all sides. Perimeter is given 30 and sum of all sides, that is 12 plus 12 plus X, that is 20 plus 24 is equals to 30, and X is equals to 30 minus 24, that is 6. Okay, X is 6 centimeter. It means the third side is 6 centimeter. Now S we have to find. S is equals to perimeter divided by 2. Perimeter is given 30. 30 divided by 2, that is 15 centimeter. Area, formula under root S, S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Under root S is given 15. S is given 15 minus A is given 12. B is given 15 minus 12, and C is given 15 minus 6. That is equals under root 15. It is 3. This one is 3. This one is 9. Okay. So we can factorize this. 15 can be write as 3 into 5. No need to write because 3 is in pair. 3 is already in pair. And 9 we can write as 3 into 3. So this pair and this pair can be come out. So it becomes 9 root 15. And root 15 is I think 3.87 exact. I don't know. but this is 3.87 approximately. So you can leave the answer up to here, of this much of centimeters square. Now guys, one more thing we are going to discuss here, the assertion and reasoning. This is new for you. Assertion and reasoning. What is this? Both assertion, in here we are having some questions that assertion and reasoning is what? You will get some questions in two forms. Assertion means one statement will given to you, and second part will be the reason of that you have to select. So you will have a answer like this: both assertion and reason are true, and reason is correct explanation of A. These are the options, means these are the answers. You have to mark the answers from here A, B, C, D. Or both assertion A, reason are true, but R is not a correct explanation of A. Assertion A is true, but reason R is false. Assertion A is false, but reason R is true. Or both assertion A and reason are false. Now see the first question. Area of an equilateral triangle having each side equal to 4 centimeter is 4 root 3. So we have to check that this is the answer or not. The side is 4 centimeter. So we are having side 4 centimeter. So root 3 by 4 into side square. So this can be cut and you will get answer here 4 root 3. This is 4 root 3 centimeter square. So area of equilateral triangle having each side A is root 3 by 4 into side square. Yes, this part is correct. We have found already. We have checked. And second part, area by this formula. By which formula we have found the answer of the first part? By the same formula, root 3 by 4 into side square. So this is root 3 by 4 into side square. So which option you are correct? We can see that both are true. And we have found the answer of A with the help of B, this second. So what does it mean? That both are true and reason is the correct explanation of A. So our A part is correct. Both assertion and reason are true and R is correct explanation of A. So this is given here. This is the first option that is correct. Similarly, the second question. The area of an equilateral triangle having side 2 centimeter is 3 centimeter square. So the same formula we can apply here. Root 3 by 4. This time the side is given 2 centimeter. So this is 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 can be cut. So we'll have here root 3 centimeter square. So this is only 3. So what does it mean? This part is wrong. This part is false. Means our assertion is false. Okay. Second part. The area of an equilateral triangle having each side is root 3 by 4 into side square. By which formula we have checked the first part? With the same formula, root 3 by 4 into side square. So what it means, the second part is true. Reason is true, but the assertion is wrong. So which can we see here? Assertion is false, but reason is true. Which option? D part. So our D part is correct. Assertion is true, reason is wrong. Okay. Now the next part. The lengths of sides of a triangle are in the ratio 4:5:3 and its perimeter is 96. The area is 384. And second part is given if 2s is equals to a plus b plus c, where a, b, c are the sides of a triangle. So first we have to check for the first part. In first part we can have 4, 5, 3 and 96. 4x, 5x plus 3x. That is equals to 96. So this we have 5 plus 3, 8, 4, 12. 12x. This is 8. X is 8. So what is our A? A is 32. B is 40. And C is 24. All these. Now we'll find area S. Okay, S is equals to 96 divided by 2. 48. So s is equals to under root 48. 48 minus 32, 48 minus 40, 48 minus 24, that is under root 48. 8 minus 2 6, 4 minus 3 1, this is 8. This is 8 minus 4 4, 4 minus 2 2. So this we have 24 into 2. This can be 16 is as it is. This can be 2 into 4 into 24. This 24 is in pair. Out of these two, from this 4, 2 is coming out. From this 16, 4 is coming out. So what answer we are having? This is 48 and 4 2s are 8. 8s are 64, 6, 384. This is the correct answer, 384. Okay, it means the first part assertion is true. Now we have to check for the second part. If 2s is a plus b plus c, okay, correct. Where a, b, c are the sides of a triangle, then its area under root s minus a, s minus b, s minus. You can see the formula is wrong. S is missing here. It means the second part is wrong. Reasoning is wrong. Okay, so what is the correct answer? We have to check here. Assertion A is true, but reason R is false. So C part is correct. So like this, we have to do the assertion and reasoning also. So hope you understand. Try to do some more questions like this and note down the questions that we have done and the remaining question also in the notebook. Next exercise in the next video. Thank you so much.